Gay rights advocates in North Central Florida are celebrating a marriage milestone. TV 20's Chris Gilmore reports U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder announced over the weekend that the federal government will recognize same-sex marriages in every state,
including the 34 states that don't allow it, Paige. Among that group is Florida, where a lawsuit was filed last month to legalize same-sex marriage. LGBTQ advocates here say there is still a long way to go before hetero and homosexual marriages are seen in the same light.
It is a very big deal. It's very exciting.
UF law student Simone identifies as homosexual. One day she hopes that her and her girlfriend of 4 years can get married. Up until recently, same-sex marriages were not recognized by the federal government in Florida. Today's different. U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder made a weekend announcement that when it comes to federal legal matters, same-sex marriages and traditional marriages will be treated equally.
Now, Molly and I don't have to move to Massachusetts in order to be legally married in the state where we reside. We don't have to live in one of the very few states that actually recognizes it. We can live in Florida, where I'm in law school, where she has a job, where our friends and family are, and still get at least the federal benefits.
Those benefits are many.
Survivorship benefits, Social Security benefits is a federal program. Federal income taxes obviously are governed by federal law.
The new benefits are limited to issues where the U.S. government has jurisdiction. In all other cases, the law of the land created by individual states goes into effect. These changes come after Equality Florida and the National Center for Lesbian Rights filed a case in Miami representing 6 same-sex couples fighting for their right to a legal marriage in the state.
It impacts me personally. It impacts a number of people in our community that have gotten married or that want to get married.
Fleming is still celebrating recent legal victories, including the Supreme Court's decision to strike down the Defense of Marriage Act and the Department of Defense's subsequent decision to extend military benefits to same-sex married couples. For Chris and other gay rights advocates, however, the end goal is still in sight.
The next step should be that same-sex marriage should be legal in every state. I would love to be able to get married here with my friends and my family and not have to travel to another state.
For now, there's still a long walk to the altar. Chris Gilmore, TV 20 News.
There are currently 34 states that have not legalized same-sex marriage. Virginia is the most recent state to challenge the ban on gay marriage in the courtroom.